So this is a Cove balcony. Let's go out here so I can show you. Oh, a little chilly out here. It's kind of private. What I like about this so far is that it's very close to the water. So there's the lifeboats are right up there. I'm not sure I like that because I like to watch the stars. But it's very private. Got two nice chairs out here. So this is a Cove balcony. It's right here. This is the handle. Okay, if the weather gets bad, you push that down, and that door right there comes right over the door to go to the room, and it secures it, so no bad waves or anything can get in here. They also have a window thing that goes on the inside that will clamp in there, and you won't be able to see out either. So our Cove balcony has two of these chairs and a table just like the other balconies, except for it's a little enclosed, as you can tell, and everything's open, so you can put your feet down there. One thing about the Cove balcony that I do not like is that it's always wet. So, and they haven't cleaned this, by the way, so it's a little dirty, even though we're on day 10. But you know, it's always wet. And the chairs are always wet, and the table is always wet. So make sure that you have shoes when you come out here. Also, the rail. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the rail is like, it's kind of salt. It's all salty. The rail's salty. And it's always wet. So if you think that you might want a Cove balcony, I would think again, if you like to sit out here like I do, you are gonna get full of salt, and it's always gonna be wet. So it's up to you. It is a nice view, but so is the other balconies, where you're not gonna get soaking wet all the time. So all right, well, that's Shanster for ya, giving you the hoedown on a Cove balcony. Right on. I hope you enjoyed my video on the Carnival Venezia, room 2256, Cove balcony. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun, make it yours.